How to delete X or Twitter account permanently? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete X account permanently. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Twitter or X application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Scroll down. Select Settings and Support and expand the menu. Now choose Settings and Privacy option and you will reach on the Settings section. Select your account at top of the screen. Among this option, choose Deactivate Account and tap Deactivate button. Once you deactivate your account will be deactivated for the period of 30 days. If you wish to restore, you can easily log into your account and reactivate. But for now, tap Deactivate button and enter your password. After you enter the password, tap the Deactivate button and then once the 30 days of deactivation completes and you no longer get access by logging into your account, then your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So that is how we permanently delete our X account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.